Hey guys, it's Crystal and I'm back again with another video today. Today's video is sponsored by Youth Beauty Hair. They sent me a 10-inch wavy bob, and if that's not correct, I'll link it down below, but I believe it was 10 inches. Now this bob is really nice, guys. The hair is soft, the lace is thin, and that's what we want. Thin lace, still durable, but thin lace so that it can melt into your skin. Y'all see that hairline, guys? It came pre-plucked. For all my ladies out there who cannot tweeze a hairline yet, or over tweeze or something like that, this wig is for you. Now I did go in myself and bleach the knots and thin it out a little bit more because I just like mine a certain way. I tweezed it to my hairline, so you see how my hair comes out in the front and it goes back in. So I tried to mimic my hairline on my lace frontals. It makes it way better instead of tweezing it all one way and it goes straight across, because that's just, nobody's hairline is really straight across, I don't think. Now it may be a few out there, hey, but mine isn't, and I don't have a big forehead, so I really do have to mimic my lace fronts or my frontals to my actual hairline. But yes, overall this hair is really nice, guys. Soft, the wavy texture is beautiful wet, as y'all see. Y'all may have saw a little snippet in the beginning, a little slow-mo, but you're really gonna get the full effect at the end. The wig came with clips in it, clips and an adjustable strap, so you can adjust it to your head size if your head is smaller or whatever is comfortable for you. I did use Ghost Bond to lay this lace down. I've only used Ghost Bond. I've never used any other glue, so I can only attest to this one. But I do plan on using Bold Hold in the future. I want to try it because there's a lot of positive feedback on this glue, so it must really be what it's worth. So I want to try Bold Hold. Everybody knows about the ball cap. I put a ball cap on. I always put a ball cap on. I feel like it just protects my hair a little better. You don't have to do the ball cap method, but I personally like it a little better up under my laces, so I do that. All I'm gonna do now is mesh this lace into the glue, and that little face I just made, you're seeing right here. I was trying to figure out if sometimes when you're looking down into the mirror or looking at something, you may scrunch your forehead or stretch it out or something, and last time I did something to where it had gave me a permanent facelift, and that just gave me a headache. So I was trying to figure out how to hold my face while I put this lace on, because it was just pulling way too much last time. But do y'all see this melt, guys? Do y'all see that melt? Do you see the melt? Okay, this melted perfectly into my skin. Now this lace on this particular wig did come close to my skin complexion. It mimics really, really close. So all I did was bleach the knots on this and lay this down. I didn't do any tinting to the lace or anything like that. It was close to my skin tone. I do not know if this company has other tones to their lace, as in maybe a lighter one or transparent or something, but I will find that out, and if they do, I will list it down below in the description box. Right here I'm applying a little bit more glue just because there are sections of my lace that weren't adhered down. I don't try to put too much glue on my forehead, and sometimes I may mark where my lace hits, but I didn't do that this time. So all I did was put the glue on my hairline. If there are sections that didn't have any glue up under it, I'll just go back and touch that up, because I'd rather put too little glue than too much glue, or put it too far out, because it's kind of hard to get that off once it's on there. So all I'm doing is touching up a little sections right here, and I'm going to put it down. Now once you're done laying your lace down, y'all tie it down. Tying it down will make it adhere a little better. Everything will be laid down and in position to where you want it. You can mousse the hair back before you do tie it down, lay the hair where you want it, but I didn't do that because I'm just going to wet the hair down. So all I did was tie my edges down, and while it was tied down, wet the hair down for my wavy look, and then take it off. But y'all are going to see that further on down in the video. And do please excuse my chewing of this gum. I was hungry, very hungry. It was late, and all I had was some chewing gum at the moment because I was trying to get this video done. So please disregard my chewing of the gum. Please don't come for me, okay? Just let me have that. because I was hungry. Okay. But then again, thank you, Youth Beauty, for reaching out to me to do this review for you guys. Thank you for giving me another option to show my subscribers. If you like this video or you have any questions, comment down below, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys later.